Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to get more civilians in the mini war game of Roblox. So first things first, you need to check your bottom right screen and check for civilians. So if it's 50 over 50 or something like that, it's already in the max number of civilians. So in order for you to get more civilians, you need to conquer a lot of garrisons like this one here. I'm already conquering it and done conquering it. So I'm gonna have to attack another garrison, and then once it starts conquering, you get a lot of civilians. So in order for you to get a lot more civilians to maximize your civilians limit, just need to build a lot of houses like normal houses, farmhouses, or apartments so that a lot of civilians will move into your country. And that's it for now. In order for you to get a lot of civilians in this mini war game of Roblox.